Have you guys practiced? Harish and Gopi. Harish, you are on mute. Hello. వినిపిస్తుందా?
వినిపిస్తుందన్నా.
ఓకే. హాయ్ విక్రాంత్. Okay, so today let's talk about filters. Okay, so we have very important features. I mean, very important feature. This is in Power BI. Okay, so in Power BI we have three types of global filters. Okay, three types of global filters. Okay, let me write down those. Okay, in Power BI we have three types of filters. One is visual level filter. Visual level filter. Second one is page level filter. Third one is filter on all pages or report level filter. Let's about report level filter. Filter on all pages. Okay, so if you see, whenever you create a report and whenever you come here, so this is a filter pane, and here you can see filter on this visual, and then second one is filter on this page, that is called page level filter. Third one is filter on all pages. Okay, third one is filter on all pages or report level filter. Okay, now we will see what is mean by visual level filter. Let's talk about the description first, and then I will show you in the system. Okay, visual level filter. Okay, so visual level filter means if it is only, it will applicable if you put any different from, if you make any filter in this level, it will applicable only for that particular visual. Okay, so it will, so let's say it will applicable only for specific visual. Okay, it will applicable only for specific visual. Okay, I will make it the description. I'll show you like in detail description. So let's take this and the actual description how you can explain, so I can give that and we can go and check in how it will work in the report. Okay, where is the description? I think I have not used that. Okay, I'm not used that. So yeah, that is fine. Like simple, I can show you. Okay, what is the visual level filter? Okay, visual level filter means if you make any filter on, this visual level filter and this visual level filter, visual level filter, it will applicable only for that specific particular visual. Okay, let's show you. Like, see, for example, let's say okay, so see, now what I'm doing. So now we have all these fields, right? Now we have all these fields: product, profit, sales price, and then week, year. Okay, for example, now I want to see the data only for year 2013. Okay, now I want to see the year 2013 only for this particular visual, this card visual. Okay, this is one card visual, right? So let me make it in focus mode. Okay, see, I want to apply this only. I want to apply the year for 2013 only for this particular visual, in this case, what we can do, we have to go to the visual level filter. Okay, this is the visual level filter, and then we need to go to that particular field which you want to apply. Then we need to drill down, and then you have it. So in visual level filter, so we have it three types of options. One is advanced filtering, second one is the basic filtering, third one is the top end function. So we will go one by one. So basic filtering. So if you want to select manually, then you can go and click on basic filtering, and here you can see 2013 and 2014. Okay, what I have said, we want to show the data only for this table on the year of 2013. Okay, if I click on it, then it will show only 2013. Okay, see, now if I go, see, now we are able to see only 2013 data. See, if you go here down, so there is no 2014 data. So can you observe the change? Harish and Pawan, Vikrant, Gopi. Yeah. See, now there is no 2014 data. So that, but if we go here, for example, okay, if you go here, you can see 2014, because see, now here you are able to see only 2013. But if you go here, and show as a table, you can see the 2014 data. Can you see it here? See 2014 data. Can you see it 2014 data? So let me add year here so that you can understand. Do we have a year? Yes. Okay. Let's go here. See, now we can able to see 2013 as well as 2014. Here also we will try for that. Okay. Let me. So I just wanted to make you understand, like, where this visual level filter is applicable. Okay. Where this visual level filter is applicable. See, now we have 2014 data and 2013 data. Here also 2013 data, 2014 data. But here we are able to see only 2013 only. Can you see it here? So అర్థమవుతుంది కదా, డిఫరెన్స్ అర్థమైందా అందరికి? ప్లీజ్ అర్థం కావాలంటే చెప్పండి. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ వన్స్ అగైన్. సో ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్. యా, see, now I'll just go to the what I said, visual level filter. So visual level filter means if you make any filter on this visual, if you make any visual filter on this visual, then it will applicable only for that particular visual, okay. Particular visual means, see, for example, in my page, in my report, we have three reports. Okay, this is three visuals. One is this visual, one is this visual, another one is this visual. We have three types of visuals. Okay, three types of visuals here. This is one type of visual. This is table visual, tabular format visual. See, if you see here, this is a table visual, and this one is line chart, and this one is pie chart. Okay, this one is pie chart. So we have three types of visuals here, and what I am saying is I want to make a filter. I want to make a filter 2013 only on this particular visual. If I make a selection on this particular visual, then it will applicable only for this visual. It will not applicable for this
Recording
visual
in progress.
and this visual. See, let me remove this one. Okay, let me remove this one. See, we have, as I said, we have a very important topic. Okay, visual level, page level, and report level. See, we have a three types of filter. Okay, one is visual level filter. So you can call it filter on this visual. So just keep in mind. We have a visual level filter. 1 second. Keep in mind, like, see, we have a three types of filter. One is visual level filter. Okay, this is the visual level filter. If we go a little down, you can see this is a filter on this page. Filter on this means page level filter. Okay, I'll make a difference so that you'll understand. Okay, first you understand what is mean by visual level filter. Okay, what is mean by visual level filter. So what I'm saying is, Harish, like, for example, I want to make a filter. Okay, I want to see the data for this visual on 2013 only. Okay, for 2013 year. I don't need another years. Like here we have 2014 years, right? 2014 year also data we have. But for this visual, I want to see the data only for 2013. And also, so the scenario is like, I don't want to make a filter. Say I don't want to make it 2013 for all other visuals. Okay, I don't want to see the filter for 2013 for all other visuals. So it should applicable only for this particular table visual. Okay, if I select 2013, it should applicable only for this visual, and it should not applicable for another two visuals. Okay, another two visuals. So in this case, what you need to do, you need to go to the visual level filter, and then see, just remember, it will. I mean, there is no mandate like you just need to make only for 2000 year field. So you can filter for product, you can filter for month, you can filter for date, you can filter for. So for example, if I add some other thing like let's add okay, segment. Okay, let me add segment here. See, anything you can make a filter. Okay, anything you can make a filter. Where I have add. So where is that segment? Can you see it, the segment here? No, right? So remove this, and then select this. So now you can see the segment, right? See, it is not a mandatory that you just need to make a filter only for a year. It is not a mandatory. You just need to make a month. Okay, it depends on the requirement. User will say that okay, dude, like I just need a filter. I just wanted to see the data only for this visual for the segment of enterprise. Okay, for the segment of enterprise. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తావు నువ్వు? అతను ఏం చెప్తాడు, సో నాకు ఇది ఒక్క విజువల్ కి అప్లై అవ్వాలి, ఇది ఒక్క విజువల్ లోనే నేను సెగ్మెంట్ ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ డేటాని చూడాలి, సెగ్మెంట్ లో ఉండే ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ కాలమ్ డేటాని చూడాలి. బట్ and also, like, I don't want to make that same filter in profit by year visual in some of the sales price year. So ఈ రెండు visuals లో నేను మొత్తం డేటా చూడాలి, బట్ ఈ ఓన్లీ ఒక్క visual లో I want to see the only data for enterprise data for the segment. అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, till అర్థంగా ఉంటే I can explain you once again. So I mean it should be clear. Okay, సింపుల్ ఏంటంటే నేనేం చెప్తున్నా, ఈ విజువల్ కి ఫిల్టర్ చేస్తే, ఓకే, ఈ విజువల్ లెవెల్లో ఫిల్టర్ చేస్తే ఇది ఈ విజువల్ కి మాత్రమే అప్లికబుల్ అవుతుంది, వేరే విజువల్ కి అప్లికబుల్ అవ్వదు. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ షో యూ దట్, then you can somewhat clear and will understand. Okay, see, for example, earlier I was taken 2013 as a filter, right? So I removed that. See, I removed that. There is no filter here. Now drill down it. What I said, I want to see the data only for this particular visual. Okay, just observe the changes here. So there will not be any change. Okay, there will not be any change here. See, for example, enterprise data. See, is it changing? But here it is changing. See, let me unselect this. Here it is changing. So can I make one more field, one more table, and can I show it to you? Show it to you, or is that okay to show like this only? See,
చూపించండి సార్ ఇంకో టేబుల్ చూపించండి సార్.
So why I'm showing like this means there will not be same table level filters, right? There will be different visuals, but there will be different field. For example, see now we select here. Select this visual. So you need to select that visual. Okay, if you want to make a filter on any specific filter, visual level filter, you need to select that. Okay, select this enterprise. See now, can you see it here? Only we are able to see enterprise data. Okay, in the same way, for example, let me add the any visual or table visual so that you can understand us. Okay, see what I have done. I have added here. Okay, I have added here. And then I will take see, let me copy this one, the same table. Okay, again you will be confused, right? See, for example, now I'm adding here. Okay, I'm adding here. Okay, product. Okay, and then segment, and then simply I will add unit sold. Okay, see, simple ga ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో టేబుల్ యాడ్ చేసిన. ఓకే, ఇంకో టేబుల్ యాడ్ చేసిన. Now see, for example, now can you see it here? Apart from enterprise, can you see it another segments? Yes, right? See, in this table, in this visual, so simply in this visual మీకు కనిపిస్తుందా, లేకపోతే కెన్ మేక్ ఎ పిక్? కనిపిస్తుందా ఇప్పుడు? క్లియర్ ఉందా? అంటే వర్డ్స్, కాలమ్స్, హెడర్స్ అన్ని కనిపిస్తున్నాయా?
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
See, what I'm saying is like, see, these are the two visuals we have. Okay, I want to make a filter only for this visual, and we have made that. Okay, what user said that I want to see the data only for enterprise. Okay, I want to see the data only for enterprise for all other columns. What I have did, I go to the filter level, I go to the visual level filter, and I have selected. Okay, I have selected enterprise data. See, now I will unselect once again. See, now I can able to see all other segments, right? But and when I select this enterprise, then it will applicable. It will filter the data for this visual. Okay, it will filter the data for this visual, but not this visual. Okay, not this visual. Okay, you observe. Okay, I'm selecting. See, it is blinking, right? See, if I unselect this, it is blinking. If select this also, it is blinking. Are you able to understand the change?
Yeah, yes, sir.
See, now if I select here, so it is, if unselect also, it is blinking. Select also, it is blinking. Now we are able to see only for enterprise data. Okay, only for enterprise data. Okay. Now, but here you can see enterprise, channel partner, government, bid market, everything you can see it because చెప్పండి ఎవరైనా ఎందుకు కనిపిస్తున్నాయి మొత్తం డేటా?
ఫిల్టర్ పెట్టలేదు సార్, మనం జస్ట్ యాడ్ చేసాం అంతే కదా.
ఫిల్టర్ వేర్ వి హావ్ నాట్ ఫిల్టర్డ్
బాటమ్ టేబుల్ లో,
బాటమ్ విజువల్ లో. యా, that is the reason we are not able to make a filter. So we are not able to see the filtered data same like in a first table. See, now we got this. Okay, we got this. What I have said, so I make a filter on enterprise. That is the reason it is filtered only for this visual, and this is not filter for second visual. Okay, this is not filter for second visual. For example, again, if I go here, if I unselect here, if I unselect this, it will show all the data, right? So now here you can see small business, government, so channel partner. Okay, everything you can see it because I have removed the filter. See, filter పెట్టినారా లేదని తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఎట్లా అంటే see, you can see it here. For example, if see, నేను ఈ విజువల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఈ ఫిల్టర్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసినా కాబట్టి it is showing the okay, they have made a filter of enterprise. Okay, enterprise from the segment table. For example, if I select here, so that you cannot see that. Okay, because this is specifically, okay, this is specifically for this visual, and this is specifically for this visual. See, now if I select here, now you can see again the segment. If I select here, you cannot see that. Okay, you cannot see that. See, here also segment. Okay, here also segment, but the filter which you have made, it is not showing because it is specifically only for this visual, specifically only for this visual, not for this visual. Okay, not for this visual, and also not for this visual, not for this visual. Okay, here also if I add segment, okay, if I add segment, if I go down, see here you can see all other segments. Okay, all other segments also, small business, enterprise, okay, and then channel partner, and then government. But what we have made in the first filter, visual, we have made only enterprise, right? We have made only enterprise. See, this here also it is not applicable. Okay, in this visual also here are not. In this visual also it is not applicable, and in this visual also it is not applicable. అర్థమైందా? విజువల్ లెవెల్ ఫిల్టర్ క్లియర్?
ఓకే సార్. విజువల్ లెవెల్ ఫిల్టర్ అంటే సింపుల్ వచ్చేసి మనం ఏ ఫిల్టర్, ఏ విజువల్ కి అయితే ఫిల్టర్ అయితే అప్లై చేస్తామో అది ఒక్కదానికి మాత్రమే కనిపిస్తుంది మనకు. సో
అదొక్కదానికి అప్లై అవుతుంది.
సారీ, అదొక్కదానికి మాత్రం అప్లై అవుతుంది. సో రిమైనింగ్ వాటికి డిస్టర్బ్ అవ్వకుండా ఎలా ఉంటుంది అదంతా ఫిల్టర్ అనేది అలాగే ఉంటుంది. ఫిల్టర్ లేదు కాబట్టి అన్ని కాలమ్స్ మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన కాలమ్స్ కానీ ఏవైనా సరే అన్ని అలాగే కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. అంతే కదా సార్?
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. సో అదర్ విక్రాంత్, గోపి అండ్ పవన్, రాజేష్, అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది.
Simple, just simple. So if you want to apply the specific filter, if you want to apply the filter on specific visual, then you can go for a visual level filter. Okay, visual level filter. So now in the same way, in visual level filter, we have this filter. See, now I make a filter on enterprise. Okay, now if I want to go to the multiple, see now here, so you have an option of multiple selection also. Yeah, you have a selection of multiple selection. Okay, for example, if you press control and select this, then you can see both enterprise and channel. Okay, enterprise and channel. But if you are not press the control, then you cannot select this. See now, I have not pressed the control. That is the reason it is going only one by. Okay, unselect all, and then select. Okay, so here even if you are not making also, if you are not pressing the control also, it is showing, it is selecting the both. It is selecting the both. Okay, selecting both. For example, okay, if I select this one, so there is an option called only one item in this list to be select at one time. Okay, see, for example, if I select this one, okay, select all, unselect all, select this. For example, if I select this, then again if I go here, see, this is the difference between required only single selection. So what we are saying to the system is like, even if we have multiple options, even if you have multiple data, so user has to select only one. User has to select only one column, so one data at one filter at one time. See, now we have channel partner, enterprise, government, mid market, small business. But what we are doing, the restriction is, whenever user come to the segment, okay, whenever user come to the segment, and he should not select the multiple selections. Okay, so we should not allow that. So for example, I'm saying, so we can give that, but the option of this, the use of this option, okay, the use of this option is, we are making restriction of the user, like he should select only single column. Okay, he should not select the multi-select. Okay, multi-selection of the data. Okay, that is the use of required single selection. Okay, if I unselect this, then he can select multiple. Okay, see, you can select multiple. See, okay, so you can unselect it and select it. Okay, clear? Required selection ante if whenever you click, I mean whenever you tick the checkbox, okay, checkbox, whenever you select this checkbox, so user can only select the one level of one what you can say, one column at one time. Okay, one column at one time, one column at one time. So single selection. Okay, single selection of the data. Okay, single selection of the data. You cannot select the multi select. Okay, that is the use of required single selection. ఇది కూడా అర్థమైందా? రిక్వైర్డ్ సింగిల్ సెలెక్షన్. సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, నేను సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత నౌ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ మల్టీ, సి ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ వర్కింగ్. బట్ if you put control, again it will work. If you press control, it will work. If you press control and then you can select it and unselect it. See, I just pressed on control, but until unless you press the control, then it will not apply for multi select. See, it is only single selection. Okay, it is only for single selection. That is the option of required. Here you can clearly it is showing the description. Allow one item in this list to be selected at one time. Okay, at one time. So you can select only at one time. Q&A will show this page in search result in one item. So you can ignore the other one. So we don't require that. So only allow one item in this list to be selected at one time. So one time. So that is the reason we are able to see only one item at one time. Okay. Okay, see, that is the option of required single selection and basic filtering. Now let's go for the advanced filtering. Okay, let's go for the advanced filtering. See, now we have, these are all options. Okay, these are all options. For example, let's go for first one. Okay, contain. Okay, contain. See, enterprise here, right? Contain. Let's talk about the contain. What was the another one? Another one is GOVER. Okay, GOVER, contain, apply filter. Okay, what we are doing, we are searching for the value. Okay, we are searching for the value. See, whatever contains GOVER, it will filter only for that data. Okay, only for the data. See, we have only government. Okay, let me remove this. Now if I try to search for another thing, see, now we have it here, mid market. Okay, let's try for market. Okay, market, apply filter. Can you see it here, mid market? Wherever it contains the description, okay, wherever it contains the description, it will show the data for all. Okay, it will show data for all. For example, here and then contains, what was that? GOVER. Then apply filter. Okay, it is not taking the multi and R function here. Let's try this one, GOVER or mid market. See, now it is working. What we are saying is, so if it is contain market, if it is contain any data which is description of market, the text of market, you can show that also. Again, or if it is contain GOVER, the text, that also you just need to show me. Okay, that is what we are saying. See, here we have a less data. Okay, here we have a less data. That is the reason you can easily go here and find out. And here also, if I go here, advanced filtering, we have only 4 options. Okay, we have 4 options. Let's say in real time it will be thousands. Okay, it will be thousands of data. Okay, it will be thousands of data. How you can select that? How you can go drill down and find how you can do that? So that is the reason these are all the options we have it. Okay, these are all the options provided by Power BI. See, here now we have only 5 selections, 5 columns. 5 rows of data. Okay, 5 rows of data. Then you can go and you can easily find out. Let's say in this case, if we have a thousands or more than 500, 600, then how you can do? You just need to go and you can find out, right? Multi-select. You can need to select that. But if in this case, you just need to go here and go to the advanced filtering, and then you just type it. If you know the description, you just need to type it. Okay, just need to description show that type in the description, then you can see it. See, whenever you are making any selection, you can see it here. See, can you see it here? Which is contain market or contains government. Okay, that is the reason it is showing here. That is the reason it is showing here market and government. See, we have another data also, right? So it is not showing all other data. So it is showing only which is contain the text of government and mid market. Government and mid market. It is very simple, but don't think in a complicated ways. Just to simple ga manam endi filter chestam, but by using a different types of options in visual level filter. See, contains market and govern. For example, if I want to remove this, just click on clear filter. And if you want to collect any another options, okay. Now here mid market, small business. Okay, let's type for small business. Click on apply. Then you can see only small business information. Can you see it here? Small business information. No other. And also it is not applicable for here also. See, here it is showing government, enterprise, small business, mid market, everything it is showing. Everything here is showing here also. It is applicable only for this particular visual. Only for this particular visual. So it will not applicable for all other visuals. Okay. Clear? Clear or doubt?
Yes, clear.
Yeah. See, now again contains, and then if you want to go for the does not contain, so does not contain small. That means it will not show the small business. Okay, small business. Except small business, it will show all other rows. Okay, all other rows here. See, here you cannot see the small business, because what we are saying to the system is does not contain. Okay, wherever it does not contain small, then it should show that those values in this visual. So what I'm saying is so I will not go all these options. You just try it, and if you have any doubts, you can come to me tomorrow. Okay, you can come to me tomorrow. If I go, these are all the simple options. Okay, simple options. I don't want to go one by one because it will take so much time for us. Okay, it will take so much time for us, but go one by one, do the analysis, have this option one by one, and then come to me if you have any doubt. Okay, if you have any doubt. See, another one is start with S, for example. Okay, start with S. Then it will show only small business. Okay, start with, for example, if you have any other one, let me remove this. Start with E. Okay, start with E. So whatever the data we have which is contained E, it will come all. See, now, in government also E we have, in enterprise also we have E, in channel partner also we have E, in mid market also we have E. So that is the reason. So okay, start with, right? That is the reason it is showing. But here now, see, if I make start with whichever the letter is start with E, it will show the data only for that. It will show that data. But contains ఏమైతుంది? So నేను only E అని పెడితే it will show all the data, because E అనే లెటర్ ప్రతి లెవెల్లో ఉంది. ఓకే, E అనే లెటర్ ప్రతి కాలం లో ఉంది. స్మాల్ బిజినెస్ లో ఉంది, ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ లో ఉంది, గవర్నమెంట్ లో ఉంది, ఓకే, మిడ్ మార్కెట్ లో ఉంది, రైట్? So same way, for example, now if I try, so contains, it is already done, right? For example, contains, so only if I take mid market, okay, mid market. In mid market, I am taking only mid. Okay, see, it is showing that mid market only, because in mid market only we have that MID description. Okay, that is the use of contains. So start with మీ contains అనేది ఆల్రెడీ అర్థమైంది, బట్ స్టిల్ ఐఎమ్ షోయింగ్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ అండ్ కంటైన్స్. స్టార్ట్ విత్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ తో ఏదైతే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందో అది మాత్రమే డేటా చూపిస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, రిమూవ్ దిస్, ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ తో ఏదైతే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందో, సో గవర్నమెంట్ అంటే G. Let's take the G. See, it will show only whichever start with G, it will show the data only for the G letter. Okay, అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Again, so now go to the advanced filtering and contains. See, these are all you have options. These are all you options. Just try this and come to me. Okay, if you have any doubts. Okay, another important feature is like see top end function. Okay, top end function ఇంటర్వ్యూలో డెఫినెట్ గా అడుగుతారు. ఈ టాప్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది ఏ విజువల్ లెవెల్లో ఉంటుంది. సో వేర్ కెన్ యూ సీ దిస్ టాప్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్, వేర్ కెన్ యూ సీ ద టాప్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్ అని అడుగుతారు ఖచ్చితంగా. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఒక సినారియో కూడా అడుగుతారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ I have a products, okay, I have a products and I have a sales price. Simple example I am saying in our report. Now I want to see the top 10 products. Okay, I want to see the top 2 products. Okay, మన దగ్గర ఎక్కువ products లేవు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ only Curteno, Manteno, Paso, Velo, VTT, Amarilla. Okay, these are all 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now in this which product our sales is performing well. Okay, for example top 2 products. Okay, top 2 products. So top 2 I want to see the top 2 product sales in my report. In my report, how you can achieve that. Okay, I have a scenario. I want to see, I have a data of date, year, segment, month, product, sales price, profit. Okay, sales price, profit. I want to see the top 2 product sales or top two products profit. Okay, top two products sales or price. Sales are profit. Okay, in our case we will take, let's say, sales price or profit. We can take any one of that first and then we can go another one. Okay, see now what I am doing. So I have selected the visual level filter. Okay, don't confuse here. Okay, this is the visual level filter. Whenever I select that, then you can see that particular visual level options. Okay, now what I will do, I will take the sales price. Okay, I will take the sales price, select this and then add here. Okay, add here. Okay, now let's say only top two. Sorry, okay, I made a segment, right? So what we have discussed is different, right? So let me go here. So I have not applied here. So if you unless you apply the filter, it will not applicable. Okay, let's go to the product. Okay, go here, top end function. Okay, top end function, and then select this sales price here, and then so unselect this here. It is making the count, right? So don't count, so just summarize. Then what I'm saying, I'm just taking top 2. Okay, top 2 filters. Which one I have selected? Sales price, right? Okay, top 2 products of okay, sum of sales. It should not take the sum of sales. Should not. Let's take, what was the other one? Profit. Okay, see now what I will do, I will just click on apply. Okay, what I am showing is in product. Okay, in product information, I have taken top two products of profit. Okay, top two products of profit. Why it is not working? Yeah, see, yeah, it is working. See, can you see it here? Paseo, Amarilla, only the top 2 products which are giving the high profits. Can you see it here? Paseo, Amarilla only we have. For example, if I remove this filter, okay, I will remove this. Okay, I will remove this. Now you can see everything, right? Catarilla, Mantarino, Paseo, Velo, VTT, Amarilla, everything. Now, simple example, I will take again profit. Okay, I will take again profit here. And I will select only top two products which are giving high profits. Okay, see, ఇక్కడ ప్రాఫిట్ అనే కీ ఫిగర్ ని మనం యాడ్ చేస్తాం. లేకపోతే సిస్టమ్ కి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది ఏ మెజర్ తీసుకోవాలి? సో ఈ నాకు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ XYZ యాప్, సామ్సంగ్, యాపిల్, ఓకే, మోటరోలా ఈ త్రీ ఫోన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 3 ఫోన్స్ లో ఇది హైయెస్ట్ సేల్స్ ఇస్తుంది, ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్ టాప్ 2 సేల్స్ ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే, టాప్ 2 సేల్స్ ఇస్తుంది అన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, నువ్వు సేల్స్ అనే దాన్ని నువ్వు వాల్యూలో యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో ఎక్కడ ఫిల్టర్ చేయాలి, ప్రోడక్ట్ అనే దాంట్లో ఫిల్టర్ చేయాలి. సో దట్ ఏమైతుంది, ఇట్ విల్ గివ్ ద టాప్ 2 సేల్స్ ఆఫ్ టాప్ 2 ప్రొడక్ట్ సేల్స్, టాప్ 2 ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ప్రాఫిట్ హియర్, టాప్ 2 products profit here. See, Paseo umbrella is only showing here. See, there were another Verlo, everything was there, right? But here you can see only for Paseo and umbrella. అర్థమైందా? టాప్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఖచ్చితంగా అడుగుతారు అనమాట. టాప్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్ మీన్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, you can say that. So let's say I have a customer and I have a customer sales material and everything, but I want to see the top 10 customers in my visual. I want to see the top 10 customers in my visual. So in this case, by using this top end function, we can achieve this scenario. Okay, I have a report, and I have a report. In the report I have a segment, product, sales price, profit and everything, but I want to see the top 10 products profit, top 10 products profit in my visual. Then in this case, we can, by using this top end function, we can achieve this requirement. అర్థమైందా? టాప్ end function, can I explain once again?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? See, the same way, for example, if I remove this one and I will go to the segment, and let's go to the here. Okay, here also we have very less, and let's take the month and go to the top end function. See, now what I am saying is, I want to see the top two month sales. For example, see, we have a Jan, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, okay, and till December. And then user said that I want to see the top sales. In this year. I want to see the top sales in this year. So how can we achieve that? Okay, for example, మనకి Jan to December ఉంది. ఏ month లో top sales we have made it? ఏ month లో, which month we have made top sales? Okay, which month we have made highest sales? Which month we have made in the highest sales? Which one is in which month? So what is the month we got a highest sales? So in this case, what you can do? Okay, top two sales. Okay, top 2 profit. Okay, profit. Then apply. Okay, October and December month we have, see, October and December month we had highest sales. Okay, highest sales, October and December. See, we have a January, February, March and everything, but we have a sales for all other months. But in October and December we got a top 2 sales. Okay, top 2 sales. For example, let's make only top 1. Then it will show, I think so, October. Okay, it will show October. So in October we have made highest sales. Okay, in October we have made highest sales, top 2. If we make in October and December, okay, let's make top 5. If we make top 5, we will see September, October, and we have another November and June. Okay, let's make by month. September, see, December, this is descending, right? Okay, ascending. Okay, ascending. December we have, okay, December, June, November, October and September. Okay, so these are the top 5 in these months we make a top 5 sales, top 5 profits for this visual. అర్థమైందా? లేకపోతే ఇంకొకసారి చెప్పాలా? ప్లీజ్ జస్ట్ కామెంట్స్. విక్రాంత్ అండ్ హరీష్, పవన్, గోపి. అర్థం కాకుండా ఐ కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. అసలు సింపుల్ ఏం లేదు. నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు, నాకేం కావాలి, నాకు ఓన్లీ టాప్ 2 కస్టమర్స్ లేకపోతే టాప్ 10 కస్టమర్స్ who are performing very well on which month. Okay, who are performing on which month. అందుకే ఏం చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు, go to the visual level filter, select the top end function, and then give the top, okay, and which value and which key figure or which measure you want to make a top end, and which measure you want to make a top end. So here also we have profit, and let me add another one, that is sales price. Okay, sales price, make a sum, apply it. See, on sales price it is showing this one. See, October and what was that? October and December, right? October and December for this sales price. Okay, sales price you can see it here, 350. So that was the highest one. And the same way you can go here, and if you take another one, what is that? Sales price and what we have, unit souls. Let's add unit souls here. Okay, unit souls, apply it. But here we have not unit sold, right? So add here unit sold, then it will show, you will show the difference. Okay, you will show the difference. Okay, December and October only. Okay, December and October only. What are the highest unit sold we have made it? Highest unit sold we have made it. ఇక్కడ ఏ మెజర్ అయినా యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు నువ్వు, ఏ మెజర్ అయినా, లైక్, but you cannot add the columns. I mean, you cannot add the columns. Columns means these are the columns, like segment, month, segment. Columns means how I can say, characteristics. Okay, characteristics. See, for example, if I try to add, let's take this week. Okay, if I try to add count of week, means it will only count, it will take the count, so that is not correct. Okay, that will not correct. So you always add the values, okay, not the characteristics. Okay, here see, here it is showing clearly value by value. Okay, by value, not by field. Okay, not by field. Okay, by value. So you always take the profit, or here in our scenario, profit or sales price or unit sold. You can say COGS, cost of goods sales. This is cost of goods sales, and here this is sales. Everything you can take it, except like these are like country, discount band. These are all you cannot take it. Because these are all the columns. Okay, these are all the fields. So you have to take the values. Okay, you have to take always values.
ఓన్లీ ఇంటీజర్స్ మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి, క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ తీసుకోకూడదు కదా సార్?
Exactly. So in this case you can consider like that. Okay, integers only you need to take, not the characteristics. Okay. Clear? Dorko, any doubt?
Yeah, clear sir.
So same way you can apply for any filter. Okay, you can apply for any filter. Okay, for example, if I go here segment, and what I will do, I will add unit souls. Okay, I will add unit sold. Then what I will say, top 2. Okay, top 2 here. Then what it will do in segment, so in segment it will be government and enterprise. It will have government and enterprise only. See, మీరు డేటాను అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. డేటాను అబ్జర్వ్ చేయకుంటే యూ కెనాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే, see in segment, channel partner, enterprise, government, mid market, everything ఉంది. But what I am saying into the system is like, I want to see the data, I want to see the top 2 segments which is sold by so many units. Okay, see here 1074 10595 So now see, if wherever you see there is a huge data in unit sold. Okay, sorry, government. Okay, now what I will do, I will say I want to see the top one segment which is sold by highest units. Okay, now it will show only government, because the government it was the highest unit sold, which is given by which is done by segment of government. Okay, see, now here government we have only one, top 1 means, see, do not confuse here, like top 1 means it is showing only 1. No, it is showing top 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, that is not the sequence. Here it is showing the top 1, highest sales. Okay, highest sales are highest unit sold. For example, if I make top 2, so in all these segments, in all segments, channel partner, enterprise, government, so what system automatically calculate the top 2 sales, it will go to this table and it will search for the top 2 sales who make highest unit sold. Okay, highest unit sold, and it will give the output. See, enterprise government. See, enterprise government. Enterprise government. See, government also we have highest. Enterprise also we have highest unit sold. If you go another data, see here, for example, small business, it is showing only 708. Compared to the 708, see, 5151, 5951 is highest, so 1074 is higher. Okay, 2870 is also highest, right? So that is the reason I'm saying. Okay, that is the reason I'm saying, like, in enterprise and government. Okay, these two segments which is sold by highest units. Okay, which is sold by highest units. That is the reason it is showing government and enterprise. So మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోతే డెఫినెట్ గా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. You have to practice and then only you will understand. Okay, tomorrow I'll make some questions. Okay, I'll make some questions to you so that you will understand. Okay, you will understand, like I will understand, like whether you have practiced or not. Okay, tomorrow just practice all this. Okay, just practice all this, like what are the basic filters, basic filtering ante endi, and in basic filter what I have said, required single selection, and then again what in advanced filtering there are so many options we have. Okay, just go and practice it, and then we have top end function. This is also, you just try it. Then only you will understand. The differences. Okay, clear in our visual level filter ante. So visual level filter etla applicable autadi, visual level filter lo em options unnai, and how it will applicable only for that particular visual. Okay, how it will not applicable for another visuals. Clear ah ee topic?
Sir.
Yeah. So tomorrow I'll just ask you some questions about this visual level filter. Okay, so go and check these options. Okay, it will not take not more than 1 hour. Okay, it will not take not more than 1 hour to check all these options. Okay, to check all these options one by one. Okay, all these options one by one. Advanced filtering, basic filtering. You just go and then contain, type it, apply it. Okay, what is the change it is showing? Just check it. Okay, just check it again. So this is also same visual. So whatever the options we have in this visual, the same options will be available in all other visuals also. So in visual level filter, there are 3 options. One is basic filter, advanced level filter, and top end function. See, basic filter, advanced filtering, top end function. Here also select this visual. Here also go here, basic filter, advanced filter, top end function. Okay, any visual. So any visual you can go. These are the default filtering options. There will not be any different filter for different visual. Okay, so visual level filter lo these three options we have for any visual. Okay, not only for not only for pie chart, not only for table chart, in any visual chart. Okay, any visual, these 3 options only will be available. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. Okay, just go and practice this visual level filter. Then take any visuals. Okay, take any visual. Okay, take any visual for first time ఏంటంటే just table level filter తీసుకోండి, table level visual తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, టేబుల్ విజువల్ ఇంకో టేబుల్ విజువల్ తీసుకోండి. మీకు అర్థం అవడానికి నేను ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా చూపించాను సేమ్ అట్లనే తీసుకొని మీరు 1 by 1 ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటా చెక్ చేయండి, వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్లికబుల్, వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎఫెక్టింగ్. ఓకే, సో దట్ యు విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్.
Okay, sir.
Okay, any doubts other guys? Vikrant and Pawan, Gopi. Okay, clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Gopi, Nico, అర్థమవుతుందా? Okay, just go and practice for these options today which we have covered, then you will have clear idea. Pawan, నువ్వు ఏదో అడిగావు, ఇప్పుడు చూపించు, షేర్ చేయని స్క్రీన్.
దొన్న కింద ఇది ఉంది చూడు అన్న,
ఎక్కడ
నువ్వు షేర్ చేసినావు చూడు స్క్రీన్ అన్న.
ఒక నిమిషం స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తాను ఇంకొకసారి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు
ఇది రౌండ్ ఉంది చూడన్నా, సర్కిల్.
పవన్.
రౌండ్ సర్కిల్ ఉందా ఇది రిపోర్ట్?
పవన్ మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నావు.
హలో అన్న,
చెప్పు.
ఇప్పుడు రౌండ్ సర్కిల్ ఉంది చూడు, అది అనేది ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో వస్తుంది అన్న. అట్లా చేస్తా అంటే విజువలైజేషన్
ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో
ఫస్ట్ టేబుల్లోనే వస్తుందన్న. పక్కన
అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే నువ్వు సెలెక్ట్ చేయకూడదు. సి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఇదే దీని మీద ఇప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ నేను ఈ విజువల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సి నేను ఈ విజువల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన. ఓకే, ఈ విజువల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన. నువ్వు ఏమంటున్నావు, ఇంకో విజువల్ యాడ్ చేయాలంటున్నావు, రైట్? ఇంకో విజువల్ యాడ్ ఓకే, ఇంకో విజువల్ యాడ్ చేయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు నువ్వు దీన్ని అన్సెలెక్ట్, ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు ఇది ఆల్రెడీ సెలెక్ట్ ఉంది. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను వేరే దాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాను. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది అంటే మళ్ళీ ఇది దీని మీద ఓవర్ రైట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, దీని మీద ఓవర్ రైట్ అయిపోతుంది. సి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఐ సెలెక్ట్ దిస్, సి యూ కెనాట్ సీ దట్ పై చార్ట్. ఓకే, యూ కెనాట్ సీ దట్ పై చార్ట్. పై చార్ట్ పోయింది. ఎందుకంటే నువ్వు ఈ విజువల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఇంకో విజువల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటావు. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. ఓకే, సో I will make a control Z. Okay, control Z. Okay, see now what I will do, I will remove this and I want to add one more visual. Okay, now here we have add one visual and I want to add one more visual. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, నువ్వు దీన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయకూడదు, దీన్ని ఏ దాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయకూడదు. ఇక్కడ ఎంప్టీ స్క్రీన్ లో మౌస్ పెట్టి, ఎంప్టీ స్క్రీన్ లో కర్సర్ పెట్టి just now select this. See,
okay,
now you can see the visual. You can select the visual again. See now again, for example, this is one visual. Okay, let's add anything. Product. Okay, and profit. Okay, profit. What happened? No data. Okay, yeah, sorry. So let's add the values. See, profit is the value, integer value, right? So that is the reason you just need to add this integer. See again, now see, you can see the corners, right? You can see the corners. That means it is selected. Okay, if I click here in empty place, so it is not selected here. If I click in this visual, it is in the corners. You can see it here. So it is selected.
అర్థమైందండి.
సో నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైతే కొత్త విజువల్ యాడ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నావో యూ హ్యావ్ టు అన్సెలెక్ట్ ద ఫస్ట్ విజువల్ అండ్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద ఎంప్టీ స్క్రీన్, ఎంప్టీ canvas, and then you can select other visual. Okay, you can select other visual.
Okay,
now we have three different types of visuals we have. Okay, clear andarki?
Yes sir.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So tomorrow we will connect again. Okay, so tomorrow I'll definitely ask you some questions randomly for all other guys also. Please practice it. Okay,
sir.
Okay then, yeah. So see you tomorrow. Then bye. Thank you.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.